Last ones. Can I get a woot woot? So, the triads. We have to distribute first because we can't combine an m with something that's attached or being multiplied by a quantity. So we are going to take this negative 1.5 and multiply it through those parentheses. So bring down your 3.5 m because we can't do anything with that yet. And then negative 1.5 times 1m is just negative 1.5m. And then negative 1.5 times a negative 10 gives us a positive, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And then 10 times 1.5 is going to be 15. So now we are going to combine like terms. We're going to combine our m's. We don't have any more constants. So we have 3.5 m minus 1.5 m is going to be 2 m. That is the most rough. Here, let's try this again. Okay, 2m, and then we bring down that 15 because there's nothing it can combine with, and so our answer is 2m plus 15. The next example is a little bit more complex, and that's because we have to distribute twice. So we're going to multiply this 4/5 times 10w. And so all you're doing here is doing 4 times 10, which is 40. 5 times 1 is 5. We keep our w. 4 times 5, because we do our top numbers times and then multiply together, and their bottom numbers multiply together. So 4 times 5, or negative 5, is negative 20 over 5 times 1 is 5. And then now we're going to multiply this negative 2 times w. So negative 2 times 1w is negative 2w. Negative 2 times a positive 9 is going to be a negative 18. And this isn't done yet. Now we're going to simplify. And so 40 divided by 5 is 8. We keep our w. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then we just bring down the rest of the stuff that we didn't have to simplify. Now we're going to combine like terms. So our w's will go together. And then we're going to circle in our constants. So 8w minus 2w is 6w. And then negative 4 minus 18, keep the first, change to addition, and switch the sign of your second number. So we have same sign, they're both negative, so you can actually see that here. And so we're going to add them. So 18 plus 4 is going to be 22, and it's going to be negative because both my numbers are negative. So I have 6w minus 22 as my answer for B. So now go on over to Big Ideas and start that homework.